I have a client whose partner loves to go in and throw their stuff away when they're not there. Their partner does not like their clutter, and so they take it upon themselves to go in and just do some purging. And I will say, if this is happening to you, I'm so sorry. If you are doing this to someone else, please stop. It's such a violation. It really is such a violation. And I just want to highlight something. A lot of times our clutter is here because we are trying to protect things. Like if you look at, what's in our clutter, maybe 10% of our clutter is super important, really vital to us, like what's really, really important to us. And that means that like 90% is just this like random hodgepodge chaos, right? That just needs to be handled. And I will tell you from 20 years of doing this and realizing that people use their clutter to help them in many ways, they're using that clutter oftentimes to hide the things that they don't want anyone to find. And so the clutter becomes like a hidey hole for the stuff. And it's really, really important if you have someone who's like tossing your stuff, right? And you know that, and you're subconsciously creating these hiding spaces. It is okay to go and pull those items out of your clutter and chaos and give them a designated hiding spot. It is totally okay to hide the things that you don't want other people to find. Now, this is tricky, right? Because we want to know, like, why do we need to hide things from people we live with? I mean, it could be as simple as it's like, I don't know, a candy bar that you don't want your kids to eat, or, something about a present you're going to give your partner. It's not always nefarious. It's not always like, Dr. Evil, scary. Sometimes it's just like you deserve some privacy for yourself. And if you have not given yourself that privacy, it is very, very normal to require clutter to be around so you can hide things in there. So just want to share this with you. If you are using clutter to hide, it is totally okay to pull those things out and create a more conscious way to hide them. I totally support it. I cheer you on as you do it. Just allow space for you to have the boundaries that you need. It is totally okay to take the space that you have. And again, if you're someone who's going in and tossing things that don't belong to you when they're not there, please stop, because it actually ends up like it's been shown in studies that it actually causes people to clutter more when someone gets rid of their stuff. So you think you're helping this person by getting rid of their stuff, and actually what you're doing is you're causing them to like relapse and reclutter even more than what they had there before. So it's not doing what you think it's doing. But it is totally reasonable to create space for yourself that feels safe and strong and stable.